Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So we're in my car because we're taking this video on the road. So I am actually at Walmart right now. I just got done picking up some stuff because my family and we are going to be doing some DIY like tie-dye type things. And I just thought it would be really cool to film with you and to show you if it works, if I'm terrible at it. I've never personally tie-dyed anything, so it should be kind of interesting. I also wanted to try out the bleached jeans hack that was on TikTok. So I bought some bleach, I got some gloves, I kind of got all the things that I think that I will need. I've seen some people do it and it worked for them, so I don't know if it will work for me. So I will be going to the thrift store as well to get a pair of jeans, so I'm not ruining any of my like good pairs. But I will check in with you and I will show you this whole process. I will check in with you in a little bit. Hey guys, it's me again. It has been a couple of days. If you haven't noticed, I look completely different and everything, and that is because when we decided to take on this project, it was Father's Day and we were on a bit of a time crunch because it took a while to get things that we needed. We were very last minute about the whole thing, so when we finally got to doing it, we did it, and then we had to go meet my dad to exchange his Father's Day gift and stuff. So it has been like 3 days, I think. So I had to leave everything at my mom's house, but I finally got them back, and I just cannot wait to show you guys because I think everything just turned out so good. So I did insert clips of me in the process of tie-dyeing and bleaching those jeans, and I just got regular bleach from Walmart, and I got the one that has like kind of like a nozzle at the end or whatever, so it's not so messy. Still messed it up a little bit, but it's okay. And the tie-dyeing, I messed that up too. Whenever I first started trying to do it, and my mom in the background was like, no. So she had to help me do it so that it would turn out good, and it did, so thankful for that. But without further ado, I'm gonna show you the shirt first. And look at how cute my mom is. So I'll take it out of this bag, but she also loves Shein as much as I do, and she keeps these little bags. So after she washed our shirts, she ironed them Like, who irons anymore? So cute though. She ironed them, folded them, and put them in these little plastic bags. So shout out to my mom for being extra because I love it. But look at my shirt. Isn't this so cool? Like, I really did not know what I was doing. I was just winging it. And then here is the back as well. I really like how the back turned out. But with my mom's help, I was able to create this shirt. It was more vivid, like whenever we unrolled it and stuff. And after washing it, it did lose a little bit of its color, but I feel like it gives it kind of like a vintagey kind of feel. I don't know. Really, really digging this shirt. So this is the shirt. I'm obsessed. I might become a tie-dye person, who knows. Next, the jeans. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first of all, Goodwill is where it's at for jeans. I'm telling you right now, I've never really gone to Goodwill that much because there was one time a couple years ago I went and I don't know what it was, if it was like the cleaners they were using or whatever, but there was a smell in there that gave me like an allergy attack. I could not breathe for like 3 hours afterwards. Like, me and my sister, we walked out of there and we were like, what the heck was in that store? Like, what was that smell? We couldn't smell anything. So I've always been kind of scared to return because I was like, I like being able to smell things. I don't know. But we went, smell was great. Jean selection, amazing. I got some Old Navy pants. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I got these Old Navy Rockstar jeans, and if you know Old Navy Rockstar jeans, those are usually like 30-40 bucks. I got these for like $4, and they are so nice. They're so amazing. I'm in love with these, and I almost bleached these, but I didn't want to mess it up, so I stopped myself. I was like, no, because these are jeans that I could like wear to work and stuff, and they were so cheap. I feel like this was just too good of a find to risk. So I got these for like $4, and they're usually like 40. So go to Goodwill if you need jeans, because all these other places, they're doing too much. So I found this other pair of jeans, and I loved them. Loved them on their own. If I wasn't trying to do this bleaching thing, I would have kept them the way they were. They were perfect the way they were. But I saw them, thought they were awesome, and I was like, you know what? I'll bleach these. So these are the jeans. So I did do one side. I taped off all of the parts that I didn't want. As you can see in the video, I taped off like the pocket. I taped off the back pocket. It did bleed a little bit because I kind of was rushing everything, and it did bleed onto the pocket a little bit, but I think it's kind of cute. And on like kind of like the crotch area, I did get some bleach there, which I don't know how that happened, but it's in like, it's going to be between my legs, so it doesn't really matter. But these are the jeans. They did have these little cutouts. I'm pretty sure the person who had these jeans before me, that they did this themselves, but it had the little cutouts on the knee, and they are like boot cut jeans, which isn't really my favorite kind of jeans. I'm more of a skinny jean kind of girl, but I saw these and I was just like, these are so freaking cool. The fit of them is amazing as well. This still smells a lot like bleach, but within a couple of washes, hopefully that smell will go away. But I think these are so cool. So I will try them on together so you can see how this whole thing looks, and I'll just give you my final thoughts on the whole process. Alright, so this is my DIY outfit. I really like how everything turned out. This shirt, it is a medium, but it kind of fits like a large, so I did tie it. And that's how I would probably wear this shirt, especially if I'm wearing these jeans, because these jeans are high-waisted, which I forgot to mention, but it's literally one of the best parts. So this is how everything turned out, and I'm just obsessed with the whole entire thing. I love it. I really don't think I could have done any better. Well, honestly, on the pants, I could have been a little more careful, but I was like rushing and stuff. But I still think that they turned out really cool. So I'm really excited about this. Who knows? I'll probably be doing some more DIY things in the future, especially since my first try turned out so well. But this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you want to do something fun with your family, I cannot recommend this more. It was so much fun to do with all of them and to just see how all of our shirts turned out. It was really inexpensive as well. I think I paid my mom like $10 for all of this, so I mean, a fun little $10 activity that you could do with your siblings or your parents, and it's so cool. And also with the bleached jeans, I mean, I had to pay for the bleach and the jeans, but the jeans were only like $4, so I probably only spent $10 on that as well. So I mean, if you want to get crafty, especially if you're still in quarantine and you want to do something fun, something creative, I definitely recommend doing this. I will probably do more things in the future just because of how much fun that I had. So if you want to be like me, go get you a shirt, go get you some jeans, and go crazy, all right? So that is it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.